Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hope you find it entertaining, informative, whatever. I just wanted to show you one of the things I got for a Christmas gift. This is a kerosene heater. I'll show you the name here. See if that comes in. There it is. Made in Cincinnati. It's a number 51. I'd say it's Hunenfeld or Hunenfeld, something like that. There's the tank. Use kerosene only. And you take that cap off, put your kerosene in there, set her in, and then she's gravity fed. Here's your control knob, and here's the catalytic converter. And you see this one, not hard to find wicks for it, because this, if I pull that up a little bit and show it to you, that's just a lamp wick turned on its side, put down in there. But turn that knob on to let the kerosene flow, and light that. Set your converter back on there and close it up to heat your room. I like the brown color. Brown's a cool color, and just wanted to share that with you. And because Tammy never knows what to buy me for Christmas, we went down to one of our favorite flea markets, and she said, "Hey, take a look around in here and see for something you want." Well, I ended up picking this, and then I got an Aladdin blue flame heater. But this one, I'm going to get a wick in there. You can kind of see down in there. And we'll put some, I'll put some clean burn in there from the, out there at Lowe's, that clean burn. It avoids the kerosene smell. But hey, if you guys like seeing this kind of stuff, sub up. I am going to clean this up, get the jar all cleaned up. But I'd probably venture a guess that's back into the 40s maybe. But like I say, I appreciate each and every one of you watching this channel. And the steel quote from somebody: go out there and make a difference and stay warm. We're going to stay warm with this. Actually, I'd only use it if we had like a grid down situation, no power, something like that. But I would definitely use it. Hey, we'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy what you're watching.